welcome back to Cajun Creations. So today I have another vegan recipe for you, and who doesn't love pasta dishes? So what I'm going to be making today is a Cajun Alfredo pasta, and it's loaded with yummy scrumptious roasted veggies, and of course that Alfredo sauce and the pasta, it's delicious. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and cut up your vegetables and then spread them out on a baking sheet. And then we're going to go ahead and season them and put some olive oil on them and give them a nice toss. And then we're going to roast them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. And what I like to roast my vegetables in is just some pink Himalayan salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. While the vegetables are roasting, we're going to go ahead and start working on our sauce. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and add some olive oil and some vegan butter to your skillet. And then you want to go ahead and add in your onions once your butter is fully melted. Once the onions are translucent, you want to go ahead and season them with some salt and pepper. And then we're going to go ahead and add our minced garlic. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our white wine. I'm using a Pinot Grigio. And then we also are going to add in our vegetable stock. I use Better Than Bouillon. It's my favorite. I just mix it with the water and then add it to the skillet. Give it a nice stir, and you want to go ahead and let it cook until about half of it has evaporated. In a separate bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix together our half and half with the cornstarch, and this is going to act as our thickening agent. Once our liquids have cooked down to about half, we're going to go ahead and add our half and half cornstarch mixture, and you want to whisk that into your pan. You want to go ahead and continue to stir this until everything has been mixed very well, and you just want to make sure that nothing sticks. So just continue to stir. And then what you want to do is go ahead and add in your Parmesan cheese. This is optional. I normally do this recipe without any Parmesan cheese, but I saw it in the grocery store that I happened to go to that day, and I was like, you know what, this would be a good touch. So I went on ahead and bought it and added it, and it does taste really good. But you don't have to have it in order for this Cajun Alfredo to taste bomb. So just know it's optional, and you'll want to add that in now. And next, we're going to go ahead and add in our nutritional yeast, and this is what gives it that cheesy flavor. So even if you don't have the Parmesan cheese, this is what you absolutely have to have in order to have that cheesy flavor. So we're going to add that now, along with the crushed red pepper and the Cajun seasoning. Now we're going to go ahead and give it a stir, making sure everything is combined very well. And one thing that you want to do is go ahead and taste your sauce at this point, just to check for the salt level. Just note that when you do taste it, the sauce is going to be intensified and it's going to be strong, but it will balance out once we add in the pasta. Go ahead and let your sauce cook until it thickens up, and then we're going to add the pasta and our vegetables. And then what you want to do is give that a nice stir so that everything is well combined and well coated. And if you have any plant-based meat alternative options, like sausage or chicken or shrimp or anything like that, you can go ahead and add that in at this time. So what do you think about this recipe and this amazing pasta? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I can't wait for you to try it out. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on all the greatness happening over here at Cajun Creations. And thanks for watching.